CBAI.
Hey, what's going on? This is Cam with CBAI. Thanks for tuning in. I've been hearing a lot of comments about how the Extend feature is broken in Suno right now, so I wanted to make a quick video showing you how you can get around it. If you want to watch my entire video on how to use the Extend feature, including multiple areas, go to the pinned comment here as well as the description, and I'll have a link to that video. But without further ado, let me jump in there and show you. So if you're having problems in the new editor, let's go to a song and try to do the Extend. So I'll go to Remix Edit and then go to Open in Editor. And then it'll say loading editor. If you're in the new editor and you're having problems, go over instead to the legacy editor up here. Click on that. Now I'm in the legacy editor. Wait for your song to load. Go over to Extend. Now, if you actually want to get a longer song or you want to add lyrics and things like that, it would be easier, I think, here. For example, I've got this lyrics here. Maybe I'll make up something new as an outro. All right, so there's my ending there. And then I need to pick a spot within Suno here. So I will find one, make sure I get a good spot for it to start at. The way to do it is you can drag this little vertical bar with a right-facing triangle. All right, here I picked my spot at 327. I'll give you an idea what it sounds like just before that. All right, so I'm going to extend right after the end of the lyrics here. So I'll click Generate Extensions. You can also see that I did type in my lyrics, so make sure that you do that so you can prompt it towards the direction you want. And I kept the styles the same. Right after the very first try, I got a really tasty extended part. So check this out. I'll start a little earlier, just as before. I've got my extension here, and then let's give it a listen. I really liked it. It got all the lyrics. Let's go for it. And there you have it. There's a way to get around that darn extend problem that's in the new editor. Just go into the legacy editor, try that out, see how it goes. Let me know in the comments if it works for you, any questions you have. I do look at them and I'm keeping track. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Until next time, this is Cam with CBAI. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you have a good one and take care.